Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Radio Nasha.
I've got the wonderful Kajol. Hello, welcome.
Thank you so much.
I remember I was in class 7 I think और मेरे एग्जाम्स खत्म हुए थे और मेरे और अरोरा थिएटर which is in Matunga उसके बीच में सिर्फ एक सिग्नल था. So imagine your entire term has gotten over and there's only one signal between you and Gupt. And Priyanka Shanbag shows up. I'll never forget her name. She was in my school and she said, and you know how we talk in the 90s, right? क्या कर रही है? For some reason that's my 90s voice. And I'm like, picture देखने जा रही हूँ. And then I was like, and she's like, कौन सी picture? And I'm like, Gupt. And then she's like, and then she utters these words which like hang in the air like slow motion forever, which is Kajol is wicked. After that, there was no point.
But that was a very heroine thing to do.
Thank you, yaar. Thank you. No, but so watching Gupt, अगर आप गुप्त देखने जाए और आपको पता है कि काजोल is the killer, you knew when you were shooting it. How was it for you then?
It was great fun. It was absolutely amazingly good fun because at that point of time I kept thinking that now when people go back to see it, they should have something more to see.
Correct.
Like you always know there is always one look or something or the other that you notice the second time around when you see it.
तो ऐसा है कि if you go back and watch it, you'll notice something. Have you put one look in somewhere?
Of course, everywhere. जहाँ पे मुझे chance मिला उधर.
Let's go back and I'm going to ask you a question with each film, okay?
Okay.
So बेखुदी, I remember आपने कहा था कि ये मेरा lucky break था.
हाँ.
Why do you call yourself lucky? You're damn good, yeah.
It was lucky because honestly, it was really a question of it was kismat. जिसे कहते हैं. It was a question of the right circumstances, the right people at the right time. I had 2 months off for my college holidays. I was about 16 years old. And उस वक्त मेरी माँ ने कहा था कि मेरी बहन को फोटो खींचने थे और खुद के लिए. तो मैं उसके साथ गई थी उसका हाथ पकड़ने के लिए कि बेबी इट्स गोइंग टू बी फाइन, मैं आती हूँ ना तेरे साथ, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, चल हम लोग साथ में चलेंगे. मैं उसको दिलासा देने गई थी कि तू ठीक रहेगी. और मेरी माँ ने उस वक्त कहा था कि अभी तू जा ही रही है तो अपने फोटो भी खिंचा ले, मतलब साइड बाय साइड हो जाएगा, दोनों काम एक साथ हो जाएंगे. तो और मैं गई वहां पे तो इट वॉज रियली कोइंसिडेंस दैट आई हैड मिकी डूइंग माई मेकअप. आई हैड गौतम राजदक्ष जिन्होंने मेरे फोटो खींचे उस वक्त. और इट्स अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ लक, फेट, व्हाटएवर. जो मेरी बहन थी उस वक्त उसको भी एक ब्रेक मिला, उसको भी एक एड मिला, कुछ सम एड, आई डोंट नो व्हाट एड शी वाज डूइंग एंड शी हेटेड इट. उसको बहुत मतलब इतना थक गई और वो लाइक आई कांट डू दिस. शी वेंट टू चेंबूर एसएल स्टूडियोज फॉर टू शूट और इमीडिएटली आके दिस इज नॉट फॉर मी, आई कांट डू दिस. और उसने कभी दूसरा एड किया ही नहीं या उसने कदम रखा ही नहीं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. और मुझे पिक्चर मिली और राहुल अंकल ने मेरे फोटो देखे और उन्होंने फिल्म ऑफर की मेरी माँ को. तो उस वक्त आई रिमेम्बर माय मम आल्सो. सो इट वाज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ कि इट वाज जस्ट लक, फेट, राइट पीपल एट द राइट टाइम. गौतम वाज राइटिंग द फिल्म, गौतम पिक्चर लिख रहा था. मिकी ने पिक्चर साइन की थी ताकि वो मेकअप और ये सब कर सके, मेकअप एंड क्लोथ्स फॉर द एंटायर फिल्म, व्हिच इज शॉकिंग. Now if I tell Mickey, अगर मैं अभी बताऊं Mickey को, you did the makeup and clothes for the whole film, he's like, I can't imagine it. I was too young. Yeah, how and so was I?
Exactly. We're talking about बाजीगर, of course. और बाजीगर का एक सवाल इस शो पर आया है and I said, what a great question, रोहिणी रामनाथन. This is amazing. कि ऐसा कैसा था कि the most intelligent person I know, which is Kajol, allowed a song to be shot on her where it says ये काली काली आंखें.
मैंने यही सवाल किया था अनु मलिक जी से, मैं बता दूं. So I have asked him the same question at that time also. I asked him, I said this was some, लेकिन मेरे को गाना इतना पसंद आया कि मुझे लगा कि ये तेरे पर ही होना चाहिए. अब वो पता है मेरे को कि वो काली काली आंखें था या जो भी है, लेकिन मेरे को गाना एट द बेस्ट इज इवन शाहरुख डजंट हैव ब्लैक आईज. तो किसकी आंखें थी?
किसकी आंखें थी?
That is the mystery of बाजीगर.
That is the mystery of बाजीगर which we will solve in Gupt 2. We have to talk about this moment. ये दिल लगी, that blue dress, that hotel room, that glass in your hand. मुझे बस यही पूछना है कि कहीं ना कहीं, and we can't ignore legacy, right? We always talk about legacy. क्या आप एक सेकंड के लिए भी रात अकेली है चैनल कर रही थी.
Oh, I hope and pray. But at that point of time, I was too busy getting fired from Sarojji. Sarojji मेरे सर पे बैठ के, मतलब Sarojji was trying desperately to make me look sexy, and I was looking too. She was trying to make me look sexy and drunk. I was like, मैंने दारू तो जिंदगी में पी नहीं है, तो I don't know what drunk feels like. And sexy was something that I just did not understand that word only. Sexy. शर्माना, ये 2-3 चीजें हैं लाइफ में जो मैंने लगता है कि उस वक्त तो मैंने बिल्कुल की ही नहीं थी. So I didn't understand. So what does it mean? Like I'm a tomboy, you know. If I'm sitting in a dress or something like that, it's like I can barely cross my legs over, and I'm like leaning back at that time. So Sarojji, मतलब बाल खींच के मेरे को सिखा रही थी कि how to be sexy, channel. So I was like, थकावट है. तो what is the body language? थकावट की body language है, बेचारी बहुत थक गई है, इसलिए लेट गई है कुर्सी पे. तो कुछ ऐसा ही था, कुछ मिक्सचर ऐसा ही था.
Too good, absolutely wonderful. Go watch Hoto पे बस तेरा नाम है again. And
उसमें भी एक close up है.
जब मैं ऐसे खड़ी हूँ. That's amazing. Maybe you should go back to the movies and watch Kajol doing this at different points. Okay, our next film. Okay, and I love the quote associated with this film. You said कि मैंने ये film इसीलिए की, and you tell me which film this is. क्योंकि मुझे जानना था कि what does it feel like to be an ornament?
Of course, definitely, no two ways about it. Was it Halchal?
Karan Arjun.
Karan Arjun, definitely. All these films, Halchal, Karan Arjun, and what was the third one? That's the third film also. तो ये तीनों पिक्चरें मैंने उस वक्त साइन की थी. Actually, I wanted to know what it felt like, and I was completely burnt out at that point of time. मैंने actually उधार की जिंदगी की थी उस वक्त, और I know, me too. मैं जब भी उस पिक्चर के बारे में सोचती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
we're totally sidey fans.
Yeah, I know, but that was one of my absolute favorite films till today. And after I finished that film, I was just so tired. I was burnt out.
Emotionally exhausted.
I was just emotionally. I was like, मेरे को अभी glycerine नहीं लेनी है, मेरे को रोना नहीं है. I want to do 3 songs and 1 scene in the film. I want to look like, I want to just like look good and like ha ha hoo hoo करते पूरी पिक्चर, मतलब 2-3 पिक्चर ऐसे कर लूंगी. अभी मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है. मेरे को असली की एक्टिंग जिसे कहते हैं एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है. हाँ, करियर को अलग पाथ मिल के जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल. But the question from Karan Arjun is this, कि I'm sure this happened later. आपने गाना शूट किया, which has, by the way, जाती हूँ मैं, has some of the most interesting steps. We have to go revisit that at some point. Like, just go watch the video on YouTube.
Yeah, but this is a video thing. This is a
totally video.
हाँ, this is a video thing. हाँ, बिल्कुल.
लेकिन उस editor ने कुछ shots डाले हैं कुछ घोड़ों के, which is so random. And ghas. So suddenly, like, you're rolling in the hay, and this ghoda's looking away, and I'm just like, it used to be flowers, now it's horses. Like, wow, thank you, 90s. Amazing. But that was just an observation, no questions with that. Let's talk about the next film, which is DDLJ.
Alright, cool.
Everyone's talked to you about this film 25 times over because we've celebrated many anniversaries and all of that. Lekin, DDLJ, the last time that you sat and watched the entire film, कब था?
When it released.
तब से अब तक
कभी देखी नहीं पिक्चर, अब वक्त ही नहीं मिलता, या कभी लगता नहीं कि I'm not that kind of a person who will sit, let's revisit memories, DDLJ की DVD लगाते. No, I'm not that. That's my film. You forget. I love to watch. Actually, I've watched the making once or twice on YouTube. So that's something that I absolutely adore watching, because I love, everybody talking about everything that they remember from the film, and all the fabulous memories from the film. Again, Sarojji was there with me at that point of time and trying to make me. Sarojji has done the most impossible things with me. She has made me look like a bride in Bazigar. I was like, what is this? I was like, what? Why am I wearing this stupid on my head?
कितने कपड़े हैं?
ऊपर भी पहनने पड़ेंगे, नीचे भी पहनने पड़ेंगे. और Sarojji has made me look embarrassed and like शर्माना. वो तो मतलब मेरे ख्वाबों में सरोजी मेरे को दिखा दो, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है शर्माना क्या होता है. नहीं बेटा, जब ना ऐसे, लेकिन मैंने कभी किया नहीं है जिंदगी में, मुझे नहीं आता उसका इमोशन, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता. So that is, Saroji's done all these weird things with me. And the last one was drunk.
Correct.
So the last one, Hoto Pe Bus, matlab Hoto Pe Bus I think came after that.
Correct.
हाँ. So this was, or before that, I'm not sure. Before. I think Hoto Pe Bus came before that. And then after that, Zara Sa Jhoom Lu Main. But thank God Zara Sa Jhoom Lu Main तो थोड़ा सा कुछ और करने के लिए था. It was not a question of just a room or something like that.
Favorite film of Tanuja ji?
Favorite film of Tanuja ji? You know, I can be very honest and say that I have not watched a lot of my mother's films. I've loved Hathi Mere Saathi. Was my ultimate favorite, of course, but I hated her at the end of the film, and I didn't speak to her for about at least 6 days after that. 4 days तो for sure.
क्यों?
मैंने बात नहीं की उनसे क्योंकि हाथी मर जाता है. You forgot.
No.
हाथी मर जाता है उसमें. तो मैंने बात नहीं की मम्मी से 3-4 दिन एटलीस्ट मैंने बात नहीं की. I was very upset. I was traumatized by that, but I absolutely loved the film.
Best piece of advice जो आपको किसी ने कभी भी दिया हो लाइफ में?
Best piece of advice, काफी सारा advice मिला है मुझे, लेकिन I think best piece of advice would be from my father on my मुहूर्त. He said एक बार ये चूना लग गया कभी उतरने वाला है, सोच लो.
क्या बात है, दाग कभी मिटेगा नहीं. And then you know you have like a detergent. Okay,
We won't say which one. We won't say which one.
Listen, इससे पैसे मिलेंगे. हेलो. एक piece of advice जो आपके बच्चे आपको देते हैं.
Oh, lots of advice. एक piece क्यों? Mom, just please reduce the drama, mama. Just cut the drama, please. This is like too much. Mom, please stop crying. Please, just stop crying. I think, yeah, so there is always this thing of like, I get really emotional when I'm watching like dogs and puppies and, you know, sad things happening on TV and things like that. Or sometimes I get emotional when my babies also turn around and say, Mama, I love you and all, and they come and hug me and all. हीरोइनी समझ रही है ना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
एक्सप्रेशन तो वैसा ही लग रहा है.
I'm just like, Mom, please cut the drama. Alright, एक terrible fashion trend जो follow किया था 90s में, but whenever you look back, you're just like, what?
The veil. The veil. I can't get over that bloody veil. I was just like, what was that?
Okay, ultimate दीवानगी challenge आप ही के गाने हैं. Now we're gonna do the heroine bits, okay? जहाँ पर मैं एक लाइन full acting में दिखाऊंगी और आपको वहाँ से continue करना है. और
अगर याद नहीं आया तो I make up my own.
Yeah, make up your own.
Improvise.
Yeah, this is gonna be the most fun. Okay.
Cool.
नीला दुपट्टा पीला सूट.
Thank God it's not neon suit.
Aha, well done. Okay, this is one of my favorites. दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं.
आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं.
Well done. Okay, this is.
She's here, she's there, she's everywhere. Plugged, subtle, very subtle.
Very subtle. Strawberry आँखें.
Strawberry kanne.
Wow! We never thought we'd get the Tamil version of that. Akhiyan tu mila le raja.
आए हैं दिन बहार के.
What happened?
I forgot actually, and I was thinking of what to say. I could not think of what to say
She
beyond
gave
that.
me like the saddest version. You know, कैसेट्स में होता था 90s में एक गाने का version होता
और
था.
जब बैटरी बंद हो जाती, बैटरी कम हो जाती थी ना, तब स्लो प्ले करते थे. हाँ.
आए हैं दिन बहार. Okay, and the last one. तुझे याद न मेरी आई.
किसी से अब क्या कहना.
This is the laughter version of the song. There used to be a sad version. Now there's a Rakshas version of the song.
Rakshas version.
Rakshas.
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 Yes.
Rakshas version.
Radio Nasha.